Hello Class R. My read-along videos are for you to do just that. Read along with me. I'll go at a pace where hopefully you'll be able to segment, blend and recognise some words whole at the same time with me out loud. This one's called Up. Tricky word. You go. Up you go. Up you go. Kipper. Up you go, Kipper. Go. Up you go. Biff. Go, go. Chip. Chip. Up you go. Go, go, go. No. Dad. Uh-oh. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Can you remember who went down the slide first? Let's have a look. You got an idea? It was Kipper. Can you remember what happened to the paddling pool when Dad went down? They told him not to. Ah. Why were they all laughing at the end? The end.